What's up, guys? Tim here, Everything Sharp, coming back with another video today. Took a local trip to the hardware store because we're putting a new sink in. I had to get some plumber's putty, tube of silicone. I'm sure I'm going to have to plumb the sink, so I'm not sure what pipe I'm getting. But my local Ace has case knives, some EDC stuff, and I found something cool there. We got a new flashlight, the Nebo 2000. The Edge 2K is 2000 lumens. Elite everyday carry. So on turbo we got 2000 lumens for 30 seconds. On high we got 1000 lumens for looks like 2 hours. On medium we got 250 lumens for 5 hours. We got low, that's just 25 lumens for 25 hours. That's a lot of time. Pocket clip, IP6 water resistant, aluminum, and USB-C rechargeable, tack grip texture, dynamic dial, defensive strobe. So let's see how this thing opens here. Alright, so we're into it. Carry a flashlight with me every day. Currently I'm carrying the Nebo Slim in my pocket organizer. The Oligarch ProTech, check out that video, I dropped it this morning. And I thought this was a pretty cool flashlight. I know most people that's into knives are into flashlights. So we got good presentation here. Comes with a charging USB to C cable. No instructions. Must be pretty simple then. Oh. Alright, so we got the Nebo Edge 2K pocket light. Here's the operations. So press the power button to turn the light on and off. Turn the dial to select modes. Lockout, low, medium, high. Turbo, press and hold from any mode. Double press for strobe. Press and hold from any mode is turbo. So really nice grip on the sides, texture, really deep pocket carry clip. Let's see how that thing's going to carry in the pocket. Kind of thick though. So it's got a really deep carry pocket clip. We have a selector, low, let's see, low, medium, high. That's pretty bright. Pretty bright. Then you should be able to press. There's the turbo. It's really bright. So you got the charger port up on top, which has a rubber cap. Am I going the wrong way? It has a rubber cap to charge. Kind of thick. I wish it was real slim. If it was a little bit slimmer, it would be more in the carry. But this might be a bag light for me. I don't think I would keep it in the pocket. Let me slide it in the pocket, see. But really, it's not that bad. I think this was 39 bucks. 39. Has two dual lenses on the front. I like that you have the switch indicator, but can you switch? So that strobe is pretty powerful. Disorientates somebody. I like the switch. So on this mode right here, which is 25 lumens, you have a run time of 25 hours of light. And I mean, if this was dark in here, it would light up enough for you to be able to see, which I think is cool. So it's kind of like the Nitecore EDC 27 with the top plunger lock. The Nitecore, they're about the same thickness. Let's see. Yeah, they're actually identical thickness. This one just feels thicker for some reason. If you look at the drivers in there, the lights. So this one is definitely wider. Maybe that's why it feels a little bit different. But pretty much same style of light. I carried this one a lot. I really like this light. This one's definitely lighter. So the Nitecore EDC 27 is 4.3. The Nebo is 3.5. And then I carry the Slayer 2 for a while. So it's about the same thickness. Yeah, same thickness. This one's, the Slayer's got a lot of functions, but I just brung these out for size comparison. So the Nebo Edge 2K, more of a bag light for me instead of a pocket light. Let me grab a light and I'll show you exactly what I carry here. Sorry, it's already on the workbench. So for me, I carry, this is a Alaris, but I carry the Nebo Slim version of this one, which this one has a front light, which there's two settings on that. Then it has a cob light. Also has a defense mode. There's the cob light. You hold down. For the cob light, it only has one setting. Oh no, it has two. So it has 3 settings. It's pretty bright little light. Also has the red, white, and blue. But I carry the Mini, the Nebo Mini Slim, which is exactly the same size as this. That's more my style for a pocket light. A little bit big, a little bit thick on the Nebo Edge 2K. If you're into lights and you like the Nebo Slim Mini, this Colaris is an excellent alternative with more features. I think it was 13 bucks, 14 bucks on Amazon. It is rechargeable. Also, the new Nebo Slim has UV in it for checking money and stuff to make sure it's legit. Pet stuff like that. But this is what this is about, the Nebo Edge 2K. For me, it's a little bit too thick. It'll go in one of my backpacks. Take on trips with me. It'd be a really good light for that. Once again, you got the row dial. That's really pretty bright right there. And then you hold for the turbo. The turbo's 30 seconds at 2,000 lumens. Might be able to get a video tonight for you guys, show you how this runs. But if you're not subscribed, we do daily content, knives, everything EDC, carry, pins, knives, utility slides, etc. So I thought this was pretty cool. Picked it up at the local Ace Hardware. It just come out yesterday. Wanted to bring it to you guys. Nebo Edge 2K. Stay safe, stay sharp.